Hello friends, I am Rishu Kumar and I am doing Maths Honors from Cbse College, Ranchi. After class 10th, I opt PCM as my subject for my further studies. Then I joined Lux tutorial. Then in class 11th, what I found is that the most important thing in class 11th and 12th is concept. You have to understand the concept, and without concept, you are not going to understand a single topic in class 11th and 12th. So understanding concept is very important, and Sandeep sir helped me in this a lot. He also say that you have to solve question papers, you have to solve previous year question papers, sample papers, and to be honest, I lagged at this point. So due to this, I my result was not very good in class 11th, and then I analyze all the mistakes that I had did in class 11th, and with positive energy, I move on to class 12th. Then what I found in class 12 is that you have to maintain equal balance between all the three subjects. You have to give equal importance and equal time to all the three subjects. Then only you are going to score better marks in all the three subjects. Mm, you have to solve question papers, you have to solve previous year question papers, and it is very important and it will be very helpful for you if you solve these papers. And Sandeep sir used to take test series before examinations, and uh, that is very helpful. That was very helpful for me at that time. um, so my strategy was that I pick up topic from all the three subjects, then approach to it and pick out the questions from that and try to solve this. And if I face difficulty in solving that problem, then I used to ask from Sandeep sir, and he used to tell me the answers, the solutions of that questions. So it is very important that you have that you should believe on yourself. You have to be confident on yourself. Then only you are going to score good marks in class 11th and in class 12th, board examinations. So be confident, students. My advice to you is that you have to take proper sleep. Uh, you have to do some exercise or some physical activity. You have to do some yogas, asanas, and that will create calm in your body, and uh, and then you are able to focus on the goal that you have imagined, that you have thinked of. So